Aloha! Welcome to the Noeau Center's two-part virtual workshop on college and the writing process. This video serves as an introduction, reviewing the material that's covered in each part and explaining when in your writing process you should watch each segment. Here's a series overview. You should watch part 1 when you're just getting started, prior to writing your paper. We start by reviewing some of the common expectations for college writing. From there, we explain that two important components of writing successful academic papers are understanding what your professor wants and actively engaging in class. Class participation is important because it allows you to build a deeper understanding of the course materials. We also provide some recommendations for developing a strong writing game plan by utilizing the various phases of the writing process. These include pre-writing, drafting, revising, and editing. We then delve into the pre-writing phase by providing you with some useful resources for brainstorming, developing a thesis statement, and gathering your thoughts before you begin the drafting process. You should watch part 2 as you start the second phase of the writing process, drafting. We'll discuss optimal conditions for writing and provide you with some resources for promoting productivity and limiting distractions. We'll also review some drafting tips and tools that can help you to improve the mechanics of your paper. The bulk of the material covered in Part 2 discusses the revising and editing phases of the writing process, which enable you to structure and refine your paper in a way that fosters logical organization and coherent flow. That's all you need to know to decide which segment to watch and when to watch it, so let's get into what you need to do if you've been assigned to watch this workshop for class credit. If your professor requires you to watch this virtual workshop as part of your course materials, you'll also have to complete two brief quizzes. Part 1 and Part 2 have separate quizzes located just below the video player. Throughout the workshop, we'll direct you to specific questions in the quiz when it's time to fill them out. If you're just watching these videos to learn more about the writing process, you're still welcome to complete the quizzes, though they're not required. That covers everything in our introduction, so you're ready to begin. Happy viewing!